Understanding what's inside a complex part shouldn't require guesswork. In this video, we will explore how the ScaleB 3D viewer lets you cut through the model and take precise measurements exactly where it matters most. Here, I am using a differential assembly to demonstrate the cross-section feature. Open 3D viewer. Select cross-section option from the toolbar. Select required section from the section menu. Adjust plane accordingly to activate selected section. Click on Toggle Cutting Plane to lock the section. Now we can take the measurement using Measure option from the toolbar. Using the Measurement tool, I can select edges, faces, or specific points inside the cross-section. As you can see, the system instantly calculates accurate distances, clearances, and dimensions in real time. This capability is especially useful for validating internal fits, checking tolerances, and ensuring design intent without needing to disassemble the model. You can activate multiple plane sections as well. By combining cross-sectioning with measurement tools, ScaleB 3D Viewer provides a powerful way to analyze even the most complex components quickly and efficiently. For more details, book your demo today at scaleb.com. Thank you.